So in this way we are able to find out the primitive roots. If the order of the element is equal to the order of the group, then only that element will be primitive root, otherwise not. So let us take some examples. Z17, if we take Z17, 17 is a prime number. It has primitive roots or not, let us check. 17 is a prime number, so p to the power t, so t is equal to 1. So how many primitive roots will be there? 5 of 5 of 17. 5 of 17 is 16. 5 of 16 is 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 3, it is 16 minus 8, that is equal to. So it means in Z17 star there will be 8 primitive roots. Z20 star will have no primitive roots. Why? Because it is not satisfying the condition. It is not 2, it is not 4, it is not p to the power t. Similarly, Z38 star has primitive roots because 538 is 19, 19 is a prime number, so it is a primitive root. And Z50 is also having primitive roots because it can be represented in 2 into p to the power t form. Now the idea of discrete logarithm. Now as far as the group is concerned, group has some important properties. Its element includes all the integer from 1 to p minus 1, that's true. It also always has the primitive roots because it is p is the prime number. It is also cyclic, so any number, there must be at least one number which can be generate all the numbers of the group. So it will be g to the power x, where x is an integer from 1 to phi n. The primitive roots can be thought as the base of the algorithm. If the group has k primitive roots, then the calculations are done on k different. जितने भी primitive roots होते हैं उनको base बना दिया जाता है logarithm का, and on the basis of that we generate the discrete logarithm. So if it is given that x is equal to log gy, for any element y in the set, there is another element x that is log of y in the base g, and this type of logarithm is called the discrete logarithm. So let us check what is that. Now the problem was when y is equal to a to the power x mod n, and if you have to find out, if you know y, how to find out x. So how to find out x is very simple. If you take log both the sides, so it will be log y is equal to x log a mod n. So x log a, if we take the base as a, then a log a to the base a will be equal to 1. So x can be find out log to the base a log y to the base a mod n. It means this value has to be taken in the form of a base for calculating the value of x if you know the value of y. So to solve such kind of problem, we use a table, and that table is known as ZP star table, and with the different bases as the logarithm. Now we have to take an example of Z7 star, and in such case we have seen that in Z7 star we have two primitive roots. One is 3 and another is 5. So these 3 and this 5 is considered as the base, and then how to find out the discrete logarithm table for Z7 star. Now here, if the value is 1, y is 1, then x is 6. How it has been found out? We have to go. When I was 6, a to the power I means 3 to the power 6 is going to give you the value 1. It means if y is equal to 1, x will be equal to 6. See, when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 6. When y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. See, 2. When y is equal to 3, x is equal to 1. 3, so it is 1. When y is equal to 4, the x will be equal to 4. See, 4, 4. When y is equal to 5, let us check. Y is equal to 5, x is equal to 5. So 5, 5. And when y is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. This is 3. So this is how the x is being calculated with the base 3 and similarly with the base 5. 5 के लिए when y is 1, x is equal to 6. When y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. How it is happening? When y is this, in this case primitive roots, when y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. So here you will find y is equal to 2, so x is equal to 4. In this way this logarithm table is being made. Now how to use this logarithm table? Suppose it is given that 4 is equal to 3 to the power x mod 7. So if you have to find out the value of x, how you will finding? So x will be equal to log to the base 3 4 mod 7. So log to the base 3 4 is how much? You can see with this table. Log to the base 3 with y is equal to 4 is equal to 4. So that is log to the base 3 4 mod 7 is equal to 4. Log similarly 6 is equal to 5 to the power x mod 7. So x will be equal to L5 L6 to the base 5 mod 7. So we have to look for log 6 of with the base 5. Log 6 y is equal to 6 with the base 5, log is equal to 6 with the base 5 is 3. So that is why it is equal to 3. So this is some comparison of the traditional discrete logarithm value. Log any base with the value log 1 is equal to 0, but in discrete logarithm log to the base log 1 with any base value is equal to 0. Log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Similarly discrete algorithm is also, but the mod value is always given as phi n. So the way which used to do in the traditional logarithm, we say same is being used in the discrete logarithm.